Adoremus and Aeternum bells, their sweet melody gently swells. With each chime, hearts are stirred, a symphony of love, undeterred. In golden towers, they reside, their music echoing far and wide. A celestial chorus, divine and true, guiding souls to a love that's new. With each toll, a prayer takes flight, illuminating the darkest night. A beacon of hope, shining bright, guiding lost souls towards the light. Their melody, a sacred hymn, carrying blessings on the wind. Through joyful peals and solemn knells, Adoremus and Aeternum bells. No mortal hand can replicate the magic that they resonate. Their music carries a sacred vow, uniting hearts here and now. Oh, Adoremus and Aeternum bells, your enchanting melody compels a dance of love forevermore in realms unknown on distant shores. In every note, a story unfolds of love eternal, untold. For in your chimes, we find solace, a reminder of life's precious grace. Adoremus and Aeternum bells, your melody within us dwells. May your music always ring, and to our souls forever bring a sense of peace and endless love, guided by the bells above.